Hello everyone. In today's episode, I'm decorating my entryway for spring. Now, I have two tables I decorate every season. So if you're interested in seeing how it all comes out this year, you know what to do. Stick around. Okay, here is my entryway. I have two of the same tables in my entryway. Still on the hunt for the table I actually want to go there. Haven't found one I like yet. That's the size I want. I'm also going to decorate this nook here. And find a new blanket to go in the basket there. Here's the other table. And these are the cleaning products I'm going to be using to clean this area. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move these tables. I'm going to sweep, mop, and polish this floor here, and then put the tables back. So it's a big job of good spring cleaning. So once it's all done, I'm going to do one table with you guys and then show you the look of the whole entryway. So let's get started. Now here's the finished product. As you saw, I was wrestling back and forth about how to do that centerpiece with the rabbit on the table. At the bottom, I have a white lantern with a white rabbit holding flowers, or holding the egg and flowers involved. And in the nook, I have these beautiful white flowers with the rabbit. And that's my favorite rabbit, to be exact. And on here, the same thing, the white lantern with the rabbit in it and the flowers. Up above, we have a white rabbit, the egg, a candlestick I added, and a filler on top of the candlestick, giving it a simple, neutral color for spring. Because there are two different rooms, I want to make sure that the entryway doesn't clash with the formal dining room, the kitchen, and the family room. So let me know what you think of my entryway tables and my nook. You know I love reading your comments, and I will catch you in the next episode.